Hi, my name's Jonathan Empson. I'm the Head of Curriculum for Hospitality and Catering here at East Sussex College in Hastings. Just want to talk to you a little bit about the courses that we offer here that you may be interested in taking up with us to pursue a career in hospitality and catering. So we offer foundation courses where you learn all the basics. So you learn all the very basic cookery skills. So you're boiling, poaching, baking, grilling, steaming, different types of frying, deep fat frying, shallow frying. Learn all those raw basic skills, your knife skills, your health and hygiene. Learn to work as a team with your colleagues in the kitchen. Some front of house skills, so a few waiting skills, communication with customers, and working as a team and serving food in our restaurant. The other courses we offer, when you progress from there, is onto a level 2 course, and that's a level 2 course in culinary skills. We learn to develop all those skills that you've learned in your foundation, or maybe you've learned them at school and you've studied catering at school and you've got a level 1 qualification and you're coming into us. And then we'll take those skills that you've got and develop them into some really good level 2 skills with some work experience put in there, so you can go out and work in local restaurants or hotels or for event catering companies or private dining, anything like sort of along those lines. Again, working in the restaurant, and then from there, level 3, we do level 3 courses where you can specialise in kitchen and larder, which is all your butchery skills and all your fishmongery, things like pâtés, terrines, and all that lovely sort of things, pretty things you see on a buffet. And then we also have patisserie and confectionery, so you can learn to make your cakes, sponges, desserts. We'll sort of finish your meal off, and then we offer a level 3 front of house qualifications, so about food service supervision, so you can train to be a sort of a head waiter or something along those lines, or a bar manager or a restaurant manager, and then move into employment from there. So they're the courses that we offer, so once you finish your courses here, normally during the course you'll have work experience opportunities. Now, a lot of students find employment outside of college and after college within the jobs they have during their work experience. So we have students working in local restaurants, in local hotels. We've got links with restaurants in Guernsey, up in London as well. We've got restaurants up in London that we can liaise and get work experience with as well. Okay, so the equipment you need for the course is your full chef whites, and your waiting equipment and a set of knives. That's all you really need to embark in catering. We source sort of the basic kit for you, but if you want to expand it, then it's entirely up to you as well. Okay, assessment for the qualifications that we have are mainly practical assessments, so there's not a lot of assignment writing in catering. It's more about how you perform in the kitchen and how you perform front of house. So they'll probably say 70% of it is practical and 30% of it is written and assessed that way. Okay, kitchens, state-of-the-art kitchens. Every student gets their own working station within the kitchen. We have basically all the equipment we have in here you will find out in industry in some of the best hotels and restaurants around in the country. So it's very, very, very up to date, and we're really lucky that we do have our own training restaurant as well, where paying customers come in under normal circumstances. Obviously, paying customers will come in to enjoy lunches and dinners in there. The Hastings campus is based right next to Hastings train station, and the buses go there as well. So you've got access by foot, by bus, by train. We've got bike racks outside as well if you're into cycling, so you can ride down, or if you just want to walk. It's entirely up to you as well. The facility, the actual college itself, is such a lovely space, a really nice place to learn. It's very open, it's very welcoming, it feels very safe, and everything is sort of has a real community feel about the building. So it's really, really nice. And so the facilities in hospitality and catering are absolutely second to none. We're very, very lucky to have our own restaurant here, and all the wonderful kitchens as well. Students should come here because the team that we have here absolutely love our industry, and we want to inspire and encourage young people into our trade. Everyone needs to eat, sleep and drink, and there are employment opportunities for the rest of your life, whether it's in this country or across the world. Everyone speaks the same language of food and drink, so it's a fantastic industry to get into, and the training that you receive here from the tutors and the facilities are absolutely outstanding and very, very realistic.